Hi, welcome to the advanced lighting tutorial with some wing light for low and high ceilings. Today we're going to be talking about how to adjust the wing light for these certain situations. For instance, the wing light usually goes on like so, where you have the flash go straight into the compartment, into the light splitting mechanism, where it splits light in half. And what happens is that half the light goes to the wing and the other half goes into the ceiling. And that works great for low ceilings, but for high ceilings like what we have right now, it will not work as well. So what we want to do is adjust the light output so that there's more light going to the ceiling and less light going to the wing. And that's very easy to do with the wing light. What you do is just drag the Velcro belt farther off to this side. And when you put in your flash like this, you'll see that it's offset. The flash is offset. So there's more light going into the ceiling and less light going to the wing. And this is really great for the high ceilings. So we're going to go demonstrate that right now. First, we're going to do a shot with the flash turned off, just to demonstrate that the external light sources are not going to influence the outcome of our little experiment. Let's take a shot of you with no flash. Alright, so you'll see that it's generally complete darkness and that the external light sources are not going to influence the outcome of our experiment. And you'll see that it's not going to make a difference. And the aperture is at 2.8, shutter speed is at 1/25, ISO is at 200. So now we're going to take a shot with the wing light. Generally what you would imagine it for, let's say lower ceilings, and it's in the center, and you just put it on and you can see that the flash is in the center compartment of the wing light. So let's take a shot and see what that looks like. And this can be problematic for high ceilings because not enough light is entering the ceiling and too much light is entering the wing, and so you'll get a background shadow. See, shutter speed is at 1/25, aperture is at 2.8, ISO is at 200, and you'll see that this is what it looks like. See that there's a shadow cast on the side of her and not enough light's coming from the ceiling. So now what we're gonna do is adjust the wing light for high ceilings. It's really easy. All you do is just adjust the Velcro strap to the side that you want more light output on. You can simply put it back on your flash, and now more light is going to be entering the ceiling and less light is going to be entering the wing. Let's take a shot and see what that looks like. Alright, we'll see right here, there's the shutter speed is at 1/25, 2.8, ISO 200. See that the settings are the same. And now you'll see that there is a lot less shadow behind her, and it's a lot softer now compared to the shot before. Mainly is because there's more light coming from the ceiling now and less light coming directly from the wing itself. And so let's do a test shot with a very popular ceiling bounce diffuser and see if we can notice a difference. This is called the here. Sorry, I'll take another one. There you go. Alright, so this is taken with here at 1/25 of a second, at f2.8, ISO 200. So it's the exact same settings. And we'll zoom in and you'll see that there are too much light is coming from the ceiling, not enough light is coming from the itself, and that you'll see shadows alongside her face. And these are generally unwanted fashion photography. And when we look at the wing light, you'll see that there's less shadows in her face, and there's no shadows underneath her chin actually. And you'll see that there's shadows in her face, and it just doesn't look as good. The wing light, it's very evenly lit. You'll see that it's softer shadows.
Remember, this technique can be used for other lighting situations as well, such as higher ceilings, for floor and ceiling bounces, a double wall bounce for key lighting, and a standard 3-point lighting setup, which we will demonstrate in our next tutorial.